Peek into the world of chiropractic care, where diagnostics play a vital role. Among the many techniques, X-rays stand out. Often seen as antiquated, they hold their ground firmly against more modern imaging processes. Why, you ask? They provide a clear layout of the bones, precisely what a chiropractor needs. While magnetic resonance imaging and CT scans are used for surgical planning, chiropractic care leans heavily on non-invasive techniques. X-rays offer a chiropractor a detailed view of alignment and structure, revealing vital information such as arthritis. However, it's worth noting, X-rays are not universally used in chiropractic care. They're typically reserved for severe cases involving conditions like scoliosis, osteoporosis, or spinal stenosis. While other imaging technologies do come into play, they're less common. An X-ray can offer invaluable insights post-initial examination, revealing aspects that might have been missed. Welcome to the insightful world of chiropractic care. Please like, share, and subscribe.